Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel topic of defense technology. News is Shield AI and Airbus demonstrate autonomous flight with Hivemind software on DT25 drone. Shield AI has announced the successful completion of an autonomous flight demonstration in collaboration with Airbus Defence and Space. The test in Andoya, Norway integrated Shield AI's Hivemind software with Airbus's DT25 target drone, marking a milestone in the company's European expansion. The demonstration involved Hivemind autonomously tracking a live adversary aircraft in both permissive and degraded environments. Conducted within 3 months of integration, the test showcased a counter-UAS mission profile, highlighting Hivemind's ability to detect, track, and respond to airborne threats. This successful flight with Airbus shows how pairing cutting-edge autonomy with world-class aircraft design can deliver truly transformative capability, said Nathan Michael, Shield AI's Chief Technology Officer and head of the Hivemind business unit. Our mission is to build adaptable, platform-agnostic technology that meets evolving operational needs across a wide range of systems. We're focused on helping partners move faster and achieve stronger outcomes, and Airbus's legacy of aerospace excellence makes them an ideal collaborator as we advance resilient autonomy across domains. Hivemind is AI-powered autonomy software designed for modular integration, multi-platform deployment and operations in GPS and communications-denied environments. It provides unmanned systems with mission autonomy that is both adaptable and tactically relevant. The future of defense includes, to a large extent, advancements of autonomous capabilities for manned and unmanned assets, said Thomas Groves, head of Unmanned Aerial Systems Programs at Airbus Defence and Space. Shield AI's expertise in developing advanced software and integrated systems is helping to shape this future. By combining Airbus's aerospace excellence with Shield AI's cutting-edge autonomy platform and tools, we are fostering innovation and shaping possibilities for our customers. Shield AI and Airbus are working together across multiple programs in the US and Europe. This includes efforts with Airbus Space and Defense, Inc. to integrate Hivemind software on the MQ-72C logistics connector, an unmanned version of the UH-72 Lakota. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.